This party is over, ending your little charade.
What the hell are you doing? Look at you. You're just a street rat. Did you hear that? He's delusional.
A street rat who owns your future.
Security, throw this bastard out. You're not an heir. You're a mistake.
You can't throw out the rightful heir. This is the legal will of the late Mr. Pineapple.
That will was destroyed.
According to the legal will, Mr. Banana inherits 75% of all family shares.
No, that's impossible. You can't do this to me.
You did this to yourselves. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to my party.